Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. Today I'm sharing stylish and trendy 6-panel kurti, and the best part is you can wear it as a dress as well. So let's get started. This is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. For this project I have taken 2.5 meter printed fabric and 1.5 meter plain fabric. Firstly I'll cut the back. And for that I have cut out the required length, including 1.5 inch of seam allowance from the fabric. I have folded the fabric by half in width. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch, so half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 4 inch. Mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch in my measurement. I'll just extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards and join it to the shoulder slope point. Now from the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch shoulder to burst point, 14.5 inch shoulder to waist point, and 21 inch shoulder to hip point. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, again I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 3 is 31, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.75 inch. For hip, I'm adding 4 inch of ease. As I'm making A-line kurti, if you want fitted kurti or straight kurti, you can add 3 inch. So in my measurement, hip round is 38 inch. 38 plus 4 is 42, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 10.5 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape. Extend this line till bottom. From unfold side, measure hip to bottom and mark the same measurement on the other side. And join this point to the bottom with a slight curve. Now from the unfold side, mark a point at 3.5 inch on the chest, burst and waistline. And mark midpoints on the hip line and the bottom line. And now I'll join these points. Draw the armhole curves. Measure the armhole curve and mark the midpoint. And join these points with a slight curve like this. Now I'll add 0.25 inch of seam allowance with this line. I'll add 1.25 inch of seam allowance on the sides. I'm taking extra seam allowance on the side to cover up this seam allowance I've taken for the center panel, and I'll trim the excess seam allowance after stitching the kurti. So marking is done. Now I'll cut it. I'm not cutting the armhole curves. I'll cut them after stitching center and side panels. So I've cut the back, now I'll cut the front. I'll cut center panel from the printed fabric and side panels from the plain fabric. Just cut out the required width from the fabric. Fold it by half. This is on fold. Place the center panel and cut it. Now I'll cut the side panels. So with this, cutting of my kurti is completed. I'll share its stitching in my next video. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.